good evening and welcome, my dear viewers. First of all, I want to begin today by thanking you so much for your support and the appreciation on our trending debate on the Maharashtra mess yesterday. I felt that Maharashtra needs to be discussed. And viewers, I'm happy to tell you, and in fact announce, this is breaking news on top of my show, that our trending edition on the Maharashtra mess yesterday has been followed today by some prompt action by the Maharashtra government. Very prompt action. And viewers, no. Their prompt action is not on fighting COVID. Their prompt action is that the Maharashtra government today, less than 24 hours after our coverage and the trending debate yesterday, which you supported, it has publicly announced that the Home Minister of Maharashtra publicly announced that he has decided to reopen a closed investigation against me. And the Home Minister has gone on record to say that he will ask his top officers of the CID in Maharashtra to investigate me, reopen the case duly closed by the court. This is now open and clear political malafide. This state government cannot tolerate any criticism. And it is using the state apparatus openly, 13-hour investigations, interrogations, false and fabricated FIRs, CID reinvestigations. I can only say tonight that the Maharashtra government, my dear viewers, seems to have a lot of spare time to fight me when it should be fighting COVID. We should all be fighting COVID. But the Maharashtra government has some other priorities. Ladies and gentlemen, Maharashtra is such a mess today. A mess that has got worse today. With Rahul Gandhi now saying that he has no decision-making capacity in the state, so don't ask him. Ridiculous. Because he has 11 ministers from the Congress. But not ridiculous. It's cruel. Because when the numbers are around 54,000 in Maharashtra alone, it is unimaginable and intolerable that the party in power says this is not in our jurisdiction. Ladies and gentlemen, your support gives me strength every day. Immeasurable strength. And I and we at Republic are determined to ask the questions louder and louder and louder than ever before. CID investigations, interrogations, fabricated FIRs, water off a duck's back. We'll continue. Debate number 1 your way, viewers. Rahul Gandhi says, don't ask me. The Congress has dumped the people of Maharashtra at a time like this. That's debate 1. Debate number 2 this evening, viewers, on a packed show. The lobby makes another attempt to divide the forces and question the army chief. Debate number 3 this evening. On debate number 3 at 10:30 p.m. tonight, let the trains run. Don't mislead the migrants.